Hello friends, welcome back again to Madjid Fragrance channel for reviewing and describing fragrances. Today is the second episode of top 5 fragrances from all sides. In this series of video, I will give you one from the best fresh fragrances and one dating fragrance. After that, one fragrance for parties and one cheap and powerful fragrance regarding the performance, and also it's have a beautiful smell. And in the end, I will give you one niche fragrance that the scent of it's beautiful, and it deserve any money that you want to spend on them. So for more information, stay tuned. Welcome back again, and let's begin our challenge. We're gonna start with the fresh fragrance Dylan Blue Per Homme from the house of Versace. This fragrance is classified as aromatic fougere for men, and it have launched in 2016. The scent can be used in all seasons, and also it's a day or night scent. By the way, Dylan Blue, it's a magnetic and it's a complement getter. The accord that we have here is ambery, citrusy, musky, aquatic. It's open with the grapefruit with lemon. This one gives to this fragrance the citrusy aspect, mixed with some watery notes. And in the middle note of this fragrance, we have the ambroxan. The ambroxan give to this fragrance a little bit of vibes from Dior Sauvage de Eau de Toilette. So for people who love Dior Sauvage Eau de Toilette, this one definitely you will love it. Also, we have some violet leaves with pink pepper and patchouli, and when this fragrance dry, you will smell incense with some sweetness become from the tonka bean and saffron. Dylan Blue from Versace have a long-lasting longevity with moderate to strong sillage. Dylan Blue by Versace. After that, we have a fragrance for dating, The One for Men Eau de Perfume by Dolce and Gabbana. This fragrance, it comes in Eau de Perfume concentration. It had been launched in 2015, and this one is a flanker of the original one, the Eau de Toilette, that was released in 2009. I prefer to use the Eau de Perfume version because it's more powerful than the Eau de Toilette version, and it's more mature. So the scent of the one from Dolce and Gabbana, it's a magnetic scent for women, and women love to smell these fragrances on men. So for dating, this is number one. Also, the scent is designed for the night more than the day of spring, fall and winter. The accord here is warm, spicy, mixed with some tobacco vibes, with citrusy vibes also, and in the end of it, it's become more animalic and fresh spicy. The one is one of my favorite scent for dating. It's open with grapefruit, with basil and coriander. After that, you will smell some spices like cardamom and ginger. You will smell also the tobacco from the opening of this fragrance, and when it's dry, it's become more tobacco. It's obvious with cedar and amber. The one from Dolce and Gabbana, it's a beautiful fragrance, but the performance, it's not that big one. It have moderate longevity with moderate sillage, but in general, the scent is very beautiful. And if you want to know more about the line of Dolce and Gabbana from 2009 till now, I made a video describing all these flankers. I will let for you the link in the description, just check it. I choose for you one fragrance of parties, Amen Pure Havane by Mugler. This fragrance was released in 2011 and it's classified as Amber Vanilla Fragrance for men. The scent, designed for the fall and winter also, this scent, it's a gourmand scent. Gourmand, it means it's sweet, very attractive. When you smell it, you want to eat it, because we have here some accord, contains some sweet notes mixed with honey and tobacco and vanilla also. It's open with white honey mixed with tobacco. So here we smell tobacco from the opening till the dry down, and after that we have some vanilla, gives to this fragrance a beautiful sweetness mixed with cacao and patchouli, and in the end we have labdanum with the amber. Really, I love fragrances from Thierry Mugler, especially this one, Pure Havane, and there is also Pure Malt. Pure Havane is very, very attractive. Anybody will ask you what do you wear. It have also a long-lasting longevity with strong sillage. Aimam Pure Havane by Mugler. I pick for you also one cheap fragrance with high performance and good quality or perfect quality. Bois by the house of Geparlys. Geparlys is a French house that produce beautiful fragrances. Sometimes it's a clone of designer or niche fragrances. Especially this one, Bois it's very similar to Tom Ford Tuscan leather. So people say also it's close to Italian Mimo from Paris. Bois it's belong to the private collection by this house. It's a beautiful fragrance, open with galbanum, with pink pepper and the orris. The orris here gives to the scent a little bit of powdery scent. Also we have cedar woods with praline and sandalwood. The praline gives here a little bit of sweetness, and in the end we have leather with myrrh and vanilla with musk. The leather, it's obvious here from the opening till the dry down. I smell also in the opening some tomato leaves. Very, very beautiful scent. I love this fragrance, and if you want to know more about this fragrance, I made for it the unboxing and also describing the scent and the bottle also. I will let for you the link in the description for more informations. Bois by Geparlys. After that we have a niche fragrance for both women and men also. It's a unisex fragrance called Kalan by Parfums de Marly. This fragrance was released in 2019 and the scent designed for spring, fall and winter also. It can be worn in the day or in the night with no problem. The accord that we have in this niche fragrance, it's a warm spicy mixed with some woody notes, and also sometimes become fresh spicy with citrusy vibes. Here in the opening you will smell some spices mixed with the red, orange and the pink pepper also, or black pepper. After that, in the middle note of this fragrance we have lavender mixed with some tonka beans and also precious woods. Kalan, it's a beautiful scent from the house of Parfums de Marly, and the most beautiful thing here is the performance. It's an enormous fragrance regarding the sillage, and also it's a long-lasting to eternal fragrance. Kalan by Parfums de Marly. Thank you, my lovers, for watching this episode. This one was the second episode of reviewing 5 or top best fragrances of all purposes. I try to give you here one fresh fragrance and one cheap fragrance with high performance and good quality, and one niche fragrance, and also one fragrance for dating and one fragrance for parties. For people or for those who missed the first episode of this series, I will let for you the link in the description. Check it to watch the first episode. And also, if you have any idea about other fragrances, tell me in comments. For new people in this channel, please subscribe to get always our news. See you in next video. Thank you.